Hey guys, it's Edmond with Twin Tier Auto Detailing in Edmond, Oklahoma. So in this video, we're going to walk you through our paint correction process, what that looks like, how our team takes care of it, and the overall benefits of it. So without any further introduction, let's go straight into it. So as always, before we get into any sort of paint correction, we want to make sure the vehicle's paint is nice and clean. The wash method we decided to go with was our waterless wash method. This wash method only requires a handful of rags and a spray bottle with your desired wash solution in it. Because this vehicle was not very dirty at all, we decided this was the quickest and most effective way to get the surface clean. Once we removed all the surface dirt from the vehicle, we went straight into our clay barring process. What this does is remove any bonded contaminants from the vehicle's surface to ensure the paint is nice, clean, and smooth so we don't cause more harm than good to the paint when polishing it. These contaminants include tree sap, road tar, iron particles, and brake dust. And here in this next clip, you'll be able to see all the nastiness the clay bar actually pulled off from the paint that does not come off with a regular hand wash. With all that fun stuff out of the way, we're going to actually start drying our vehicle to get it ready for our two-step paint correction. So with our two-step correction getting started, we started with a microfiber coating disc and some compound, then finish it off with a yellow foam polishing pad onto the paint. And these two steps were very much essential to get this vehicle looking back to brand new, to remove all those swirls and scratches from the paint. With those two steps, we were able to get about 90% of the swirls and scratches removed to give that vehicle that nice glossy look again. And this will for sure give off a spectacular, much needed shine and gloss, which will definitely get heads turning here in Edmond, Oklahoma. So what is polishing and what purpose does it have? So polishing a vehicle and its paint actually gives us that nice and glossy finish that you see in these next few clips. It removes all those swirl, scratches, and imperfections that a vehicle's paint may have caused over time due to improper washing methods. So what we're doing when we polish is we are leveling out all the paint, swirls and scratches that are almost like ridges. We are flattening them, removing a very little amount of clear coat to get the nice and flat finish that you see here in these next few clips. Looking at the polishing process and seeing the before and afters is totally satisfying and awesome. But what if we told you never had to polish in the first place? The cause of all these swirls and scratches can be endless and hard to avoid, sometimes even out of your and our control. Here are a few of the main reasons why your vehicle's paint may have a very dull finish and an unwelcoming amount of swirls and scratches. The major factors that contribute to swirls and scratches are automatic car washes with brushes and wipers that are very poorly maintained, improper rinsing before washing your vehicle, not having enough lubrication from soaps or other cleaners that you are using when washing your vehicle, using stiff brushes / hand sponges, and essentially the wrong tools, and even something as simple as dusting your vehicle off with a rag. So if you're in the Edmond, Oklahoma area or surrounding areas and are looking for paint correction, ceramic coatings, or anything auto detailing, feel free to shoot us an email, give us a call, or shoot us a text, and we'll be sure to get back out to you to see if we're the right fit for you and your vehicle. As always, thank you. God bless.